SEO is a crucial digital marketing strategy designed to improve website visibility and search engine results, helping businesses connect with potential customers online. SEO is about optimizing a website to rank higher in organic search results. Search engines like Google use algorithms to identify and rank relevant content. Effective SEO starts with understanding the words people use to find products or services. Tools like Google Keyword Planner help identify relevant keywords. On-page SEO involves optimizing titles, meta descriptions, headers, and content. Valuable content should naturally incorporate keywords. Technical SEO includes optimizing page speed, securing the site with HTTPS, and fixing broken links to improve site indexing. Quality content that answers user questions is essential. Regularly updated blogs and guides attract users and establish credibility. Backlinks from reputable sites signal trustworthiness to search engines. High-quality backlinks can elevate rankings. Search engines reward websites with positive user experience. Fast loading times and simple navigation are key factors. SEO helps businesses rank higher on SERPs, increasing visibility and credibility. It is a sustainable, cost-effective strategy for continuous organic traffic.